Hi, welcome to the Digital Yacht How-To video series. In today's video we're going to be looking at our new product, Boatranet, which is a web server for boats and how you can connect it to the internet. Now Boatranet doesn't need to be connected to the internet to work. It's quite happy to sit there all day every day generating its own web pages from the information it's gathering from the boat systems. However, if you do connect it up to one of our long-range Wi-Fi adapters like our new WL510, it will share that long-range Wi-Fi connection with everyone that's on the boat. So just like at home where you connect to the wireless router and you share the broadband connection, you'll have the same setup on the boat, which is a really neat feature. So how do you set it all up? Well, this video does assume that you've already got Boatranet connected up, it's powered up, and also that you've got the WL510 connected up to that. And now the two systems connect via just a normal RJ45 network cable, and you just connect the LAN socket on the Boatranet to the LAN socket on the WL510. Right, so I'm going to go into Google Chrome now. And the first thing we need to do is to log in to Boatranet, because we're not getting any internet connection at the moment, which is to be expected because the WL510 is not connected to a hotspot. So we just need to go to the Boatranet homepage. Now the two icons that we're most interested in is the web and the Wi-Fi. If we go to the web page, now normally this would take you to show you a page with a whole series of links to different websites if you were connected to the internet. But if you're not connected, it basically gives you this warning and it says that you need to go to the Wi-Fi page. So we're going to click on the shortcut, and what that does, it takes you straight into the WR510 login page. So obviously the two systems are talking to each other, and the WL510 page coming up like this means that it's connected to the Boatranet correctly. So we're going to log in, and the login for a WL510 is WL510, and the password, assuming you haven't changed it from the default, is also WL510. So let's go there. So at the moment there's no activity, we're not associated with any hotspot, so we need to scan for a hotspot. We do that by clicking on the wireless tab. We then go select, and if we were in a marina now, there'd be a whole series of different hotspot names coming up. For the sake of our demonstration today, I'm going to connect to my hotspot, which is Digital Yacht, and then down the bottom of this page you click select. Then now, if it was a public open hotspot, then you probably wouldn't have to do this step. It would just take you straight, it would just connect you automatically. But I'm going to have to just enter the password of my hotspot. Okay, so I click change, and then apply. What this does is it stores the hotspot name and any passwords or anything associated with it in its own memory, so that when next time you come back to that same marina, for instance, the WL510 will say, oh, I know this marina, I've got the login details for that, and it will connect automatically, which is quite a nice feature. Okay, so we'll go to the main status page. Now give it a couple of seconds and this should come up with the information about, there we go, so it's connected to the hotspot. We're getting good strong signal strengths there. You can see some activity down on these graphs here, so that's good. So that means that the WL510 now is connected to the internet, and if the WL510 is connected to the internet, that also means that Boatranet is connected to the internet, and anyone that's wirelessly connected to Boatranet is also connected to the internet, which is the thing that we want to achieve. So in fact, now if I click on the web icon, it comes up with a page with a whole series of links to a lot of the most popular sites on the internet today. So for instance, we can go straight to Google, or we can go straight to Facebook without having to enter any more, type any addresses in. So, which is great, because if you're connected to Boatranet with like an iPhone or another smartphone, where the keyboard and typing in characters is not that great, it means you can just go straight in without having to type anything in. What you can also do is set up your own bookmarks. So any places, any websites that you want people on your boat to learn about or to go and visit, you can set up here. So we go to the bookmarks section. Now we ship Boatranet with 3 sort of bookmarks to get you started, but if you want to add your own, I'm going to add one now. I'm going to add the nmea.org website. So I just type in the website address and I click add bookmark. What it's doing now is Boatranet's gone to that website, it's taken a snapshot of its of the home page, and it creates a little thumbnail of it so that next time you come back to the bookmarks page you can see exactly what websites you've got there. And there we go, it's there now. So the National Marine Electronics Association website, and if I click on that it will take me straight to the nmea.org website. So that's let's just refresh that. There we go. And if I want to delete a bookmark, I can just go edit. I can delete selected, and there you go, back to just the original 3 bookmarks. Just refresh that. Okay, so that's bookmarks. Just going back to the home page again, we go to the web. Right, so most of these don't need any description, they're just straightforward links to the relevant website. The Google Map is a little bit extra. What we've done there is we've made it Google Map so that it actually puts the boat position and the next waypoint on there, a bit like the chart plotter, the Navigax chart plotter that we've built into Boatranet. Obviously these aren't navigational charts, but what it does mean is that you can, for instance, turn on the satellite image, so you get that overlaid, which is quite nice. And all the other sort of functions of Google Map are there. So yeah, that's the only sort of additional link that where we've added extra functionality to. So that is really all you need to do to get internet connection on Boatranet. Like I say, once you've got the internet connection, it's shared with everyone that's connected to Boatranet, so it really is a neat solution. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video today, and I'll say goodbye. Thank you.